say ne onye me ho amehwe you know
Badwam ago kensie so na no pansam no ya na toso de se fata south ni de brema kwan na ya boaboa no ade abrɛw na sane ekeka kone de so anfa ho anyima be hadwen pa and of course sikasam na making the most popular code say *946# *946# oba na kwan bia so what is cargo bottom and a game pack for one more a code no game pack for a code no it is shadow so mame *946# and of course na wa bo o Play Store na App Store no abashim obo gamepackgames.com ehimwa na wa na ho kono download app no na anopa awia ne anwumre bia wa diska Diago bottom 3 times a day na betuma diska Diago bottom or Gamepack Games for one Akache Kingdom Jensen Power Capsules say a madro memadro momo ma no tremendous capsules Kingdom Jensen Power Capsules eti bo won dem sanka bi no me de tremendous e ma no de Kingdom capsules no so immune system booster bo mo ejina na supia anya sam keto akra nyima kwedi esi akonkona yede nsam no ate bro kejona gasani Erica Siedu body mo akwa ba be hwase na yede fi the FA Cup and matches course Chelsea did nice so bogumo Liverpool winning United and the quarter final near set the English FA Cup Wolves in the Coventry na bebo say Wolves is nice so ball Brighton of Badwam and I face so Manchester United and Liverpool na board the next day Chelsea and then Leicester bebo na Manchester City the Newcastle and so dia boni FA Cup quarter final fixtures no and so and now Serie A and Napoli ebo Sassuolo by 6-1 and I face so Inter Milan and identity Italian Serie A ni mu na desano no Gamepackgames.com can on any some na bro na yenkopi mo the Black Queens of Ghana and na yesheni mo say Black Queens bet ma qualify for the Olympic Games na so ban area you know na ya draw or opi man so Zambia now okokopi mo e ho no na sane e fie o ma be share ka ba ko na ese so etimi ko hye mo na so ko ya 3-3 etipenko ewie na 1-0 be share ofie die ke de come de ne ho a omode ne be 4 na match na say goes na 3 to 4-3 Zambia for qualify for the Olympic Games but Nora Haptel the head coach Adom Ghana Black Queens after the game Okasa
Zambia had a good moment, a transition moment where they get in advance, and I think then we started to play football. I think we have been the ones in possession tonight. Of course, always when you lose a ball, you know that you need to be aware of the defense transition moments. I think we had a good control over a lot of moments. Then it was a very open game. We have been 3-2 in advance until the last minute. My team was brave. My team was playing football. My team was fighting. I cannot blame them at all. In the end, sometimes it's hard. We laid everything in, and then we got scored a free kick. And the red card in the last minute. Those things can happen. Of course, we would have loved to go in overtime, and all in all, disappointing for us. Kudos to
Nora Haptel, head coach the Black Queens of Ghana. Now, if you're not young share and some football with the Black Starlights, on me Ghana and 20 team no more AC and now or the 13th Africa Games and that's it. Now, preparation air Kosono. And yasam keto akra okopimo makacha head coach Desmond Ofair or the Samu Tubia say I want to see from commercial say pram pramene makopimo Cape Coast near the attending in Nigeria say so one for so or tournament na say
I think the team is progressing really nicely. We're in a final hurdle towards the tournament. You know, the last 3 weeks we've been in the soccer center in Pram Pram, and we've been working really hard. Now we are here in Cape Coast to train. We're in the final stages of our preparation and everything is going smoothly. Working in football, there's a lot of challenges, but we must stay focused. Why? Because obviously we know what is at stake. This All-African Games means a lot to us, especially in our current state. We really want to prove something to the nation, and you know, the boys are really hungry and ready to showcase their talent. It wasn't an easy one because obviously we're hoping to get a squad of 25, 22 outfield players plus 3 goalkeepers, but for this competition, CAF chose to go for 20 players. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy because we had a lot of talented players, and unfortunately we have to make tough decisions. And in this final selection, I think we made the right calls with the right players to get the balance of the team right. It's not easy, you know, assembling a squad of 20 players, but I think that we'll be 100% ready.
Forget the past, but we move on. Chance to victory.
Second ball, third start diagonal. You know, we need your support.
Right. The Black Starlight of Ghana, one more, and so on, some on. You feel in coherence and from Okopium Baby Jet as Samojan, Nano, Hana, Dr. Mahamadou Baumia, campaign team, Yaboni India account. Say a banner sports side, while Neshe, no, I should be BNB Akoyeni, it's a Youth and Sports Manifesto subcommittee, and a baby jet account. I was a month for what to send for trouble on the power, but in fact, one day, Judy said the oil of Ghana.
Personally, I've been in this for more than 2 decades. So, being in the public eye and with my experience, I feel like I can also chip in something to help develop sports, especially because that is my field. And I'm very confident about my capabilities and my abilities to help the current government, you know, to make sure they improve in the sporting sector.
What do you have to say to your critics who are bashing you on political lines?
They have their own opinion. Because, as I said, I've been there. You know, I've gone to stadiums being booed in front of 80,000 capacity, and I'm used to it. You know, so at the end of the day, the work shows. You know, sometimes you go to the enemy's territory and then you come out with an applaud. You know, so I have confidence in myself, and I know also what I can do to help. You know, I'm here to help because my 20 years of experience, I can't just sit home and then keep it. You know, I have to just share for the new generation, different generation to benefit from it. And that is why we are here. We are all Ghanaians. We are here to help. We want to help, and that is the main reason why.
So you're not perturbed about the criticism so far?
Nah. As you all know, you also know, criticism comes with the territory, and I'm here to help. And
right, baby Jetta Samojan, no. Or the summer to Jaffa kind of committee. When I Fiona, Yakopimo, Nanwada, Africa Paralympic Games, Ghana, a black challenge team, no Echo Boy Jumako J Gold. Or after that, Bampany for Shomobo, I said, $2,000 each, and so be seen Nebea Finino. 2,000 Obian Sankayama, and penny for that team. Nenimono. I a press conference that said, they are to a band anymore. Say, almost show more down Macomb. Coach at the man put it, Richard Obey, Ninsamni.
Yeah, we African Paralympic Games, we were promised that we will receive a winning bonus of $2,000 each. But the players playing abroad, no, their monthly salary, almost bro. Into any sikana, ye debe mom so I'll be represented on mine by being a patriotic individual of the state, you know. Ena, a way you odo a yoma on mine, any odo, any pepper yoma game na ye bon. And internet ma ye na ye be DNM. We can also say, oh, hey, a papa alijara, take a header. You can say so bet nefi and obeko nejuma. But even though nejuman uja niabe handle national issues, none of us sitting on this table receive a monthly salary. I'm saying this opening today. We don't receive a national salary every month. No. You only receive a token and a bonus after winning a trophy. We have never voiced this out. I'm speaking because I'm speaking from my heart. Into a year or do any pepper or minor. Ain't in a fair yeba. And we didn't start to finish, or we didn't start to quit. We started to finish. We want to get to the bottom line of it, because if you don't get to the finish line, you will never receive a medal from that. Into your best share or minor, your best share penfua a deal minor name, and your best share. We need partnership. We need sponsorship. Say 2021, few of us, 9, and a co-represented. I will mention this today. Yabai ministers Isudia say, Yambo Biamane, and Sana Yeko. I personally wrote to the Ministry of Youth and Sports, National Sports Authority. I have the email there. With the professionals' email, I was in Turkey then. There was no reply. I went to the embassy of Ghana in Istanbul. any ambassador no kokasai e ma ne frɛ GFA and a ministry Nina it was few individual and just see a better crown that was what my mom tia say in the letter say in the mail I sent say you a participation fee you to air ticket so we need the father's blessing of the land to represent Mother Ghana. There was no response but ni namu ye jinam say ye be kon okodiama Ghana but eya na ya reho say unu obi bebo in the final game ube winning no ono obedi second no okoni kroma de be ya ma no ye di first no ye nya ye ni Morocco a boy in the final game Accra Para Games a boy September 2023 no Morocco coin no ye mo bia Egypt di third ye mo bia $5,000 each no di third no but what is encouraging what is inspiring you say next tournament near frewa besen koboma or mine.
Eti anone ne ampoti team no e de to dwa be de chahwe ba bia be kwa akosi Kingdom Tremendous Capsules e man de Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules e me man de mo musanka bi na o yo ba na o tie mi Tremendous no e boa mo ayo ba sima pa Power Capsules so ma be ma wo kira na se be me mu Kingdom Home Estate to e dan ato a Kingdom Home Estate for and so on omodi and so and a Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules Tremendous Capsules ma come wasem and so the actual now gamepackgames.com gamepackgames.com we this go to my Game Pack or Play Store, App Store, and download the app on that Brebia pick 1 and pick 4 and not dan chanya. Over to me at dial star 946 hash on my options nowadays. So now the this can go to my way. It is ya concone de I can see brown and pay our Brebia so. Yeah, they will see. Set your manucho Bernard Paddy Boutre and producers Kejuan and Cassani, Erica Siedubody, the health set beds and I was a film and Guatemala stand by. Yabasan Kejuan and Cassani, Erica Siedubody.